display new project number 49, sports fan page. So here today we will work on, so here this is instructions, and also we will work on new website. We will work on code.pen. So here coding will be not there for attaching, drag and drop. Here we will text. So for that we will go on new tab, and here I will search code.pen. We have to do coding but from text. Yeah, this. I will click here. Okay, I will click here. Yes. And here you will see start coding. Now here we will click on start coding. Now we will start. Here this is HTML, CSS, JS. So JS is JavaScript, and HTML is hypertext markup language, and CSS is cascading style sheet. So now we will first of all we will code for HTML. So here we will type HTML, and then we will give a enter like this. So here line numbers will be also there. This is line number 1, this is line number 2. How much we will give enter? Line number will be increased. Here we will type head like this, and we will close it with the help of tags. Again we will give enter. Here we will write title, TITLE, title. Now we will give a space, and for title we can give as Virat Kohli. Here. Now we will give a enter, and for everything we will open, like we have opened HTML, we have opened head, we have opened title. So we have opened title, so we have to close the title and HTML and head. So here we will close title with giving enter. We will close title like this. Here we will type title. Yeah, this is the way how we will open anything. So we will close. If I want to close head, so here I will type, instead of title I will type head, so it will be closed head. So we should close. If we will not close, it will be okay, but maybe for we will do live test, so maybe error will be come, so we should close. So now I have closed the title. Now I will give enter. Now I have closed the title. Now I will close head. So I am closing the head. Yeah. Now I will open body. Inside HTML we have given head. Inside head we have given title. Then we have closed title. We have closed head. Now we will open body. Body. Now we will give enter. Here we will type H1. H1 means if we want to write whatever code we will do, it will live test, it will show here whatever we will do. So H1, H is heading. So whatever we want to give heading, we can give here. If we will give heading as Virat Kohli, so here it will be display. Here it will be display. So if we want to display it on center, so we will do that designing part from CSS. Now in heading 1, H1, I will write Virat Kohli. Now I will close H1. So now it is closed. See here, it is coming Virat Kohli, but it is not in center, but we will give a center on CSS when we will work on CSS. Now I am working on HTML. Now after closing the heading 1 H1, I will give a enter, and I will give img. Img means image. We will put the image of Virat Kohli. So here I will type img image, and I will give a enter. Here I will type src is equals to source. So here link will be come. So I will go on Google. Here I will type Virat Kohli images. See, we will go on images. We will take any image whichever we like. I will take this one. This one is fine, or any other I can take. Okay, this one is fine. Now we will copy image address. Yes. Now we will go on code.pen, and here I will paste the image address. Yes, like this. And now image is coming. See, whichever image we want, we will copy the image address and we will paste here, so it will come. Now I will give a enter like this. Now we are working on line number 10. Yeah. Now I will give p. P means paragraph. It means this is heading, this is image. Heading is Virat Kohli. So we will give a image of Virat Kohli. So who is Virat Kohli? What he do? So for that we will give paragraph about him. Okay. Now I have given P paragraph. Now I will go on Google. Here I will search about Virat Kohli. Yeah. So here we will go on Wikipedia. Virat Kohli. So okay, so we will copy this. This is the information about details about Virat Kohli. Here it is written Virat Kohli is Hindustani. When he is born on 5 November 1988. So we will copy this till here. Like this. More information if we want to give, we can copy this also, but for now I am copying this. Okay, now we will go on code.pen, and here I will paste it, and now I will close paragraph like this. P nah, yeah, see here it is coming. By scrolling down, we can see Virat Kohli, and if we want to add more about him, so we can write here, like after here I am writing HH. Now see here HH is given. So like that, if we know anything, so we can write here, so it will display here. Now HTML is done. Now we will design. We will make our app more attractive. Now we will go on CSS. For CSS we will write here body. Okay, now first of all I have HTML head. Title is closed, head is closed, body is not closed. HTML and body. HTML and body is not closed. We will close it. We will close first of all body. We give enter. Now we will close HTML. Yes. Now it is fine. Now we have given here body. We will open a curly bracket. Okay. Now here I will type background color. So if you want, we can give background color like that. Now I will give background color. Background color, and here I will give background color pink. See, pink is coming. If I will give as green, green is coming. I will give pink. Yeah. Now I will give color. Color I will give as green. So color, it means here heading color is changed. So now we have given only colors. So how it is changed the heading color and paragraph? Because we have given body here. So body is here. Inside body, whatever we have given, if we will type anything, it will understand that I have to change the color of paragraph or heading. So color will be green, border solid. We will give border. Here I will type solid. See here, lining is coming. Now I will type text align center. I will give enter. Here I will type text hyphen align center. See, image is in center and heading is also in center. Now we will, by text align is I am giving, and heading is automatically in center because we have given body and body is inside body, we have given heading. So heading will be on center. Now body is done. Now we will give enter here. So we have opened a curly bracket. So after our code will be done for background color designing, whatever. So after that we will close curly bracket. If we have opened curly bracket, so we will close curly bracket. If we have opened, so we have to close it. Now I will give a enter and I will open curly bracket. Here I will give H1 is given. Now H1 I have given. I have opened curly bracket also, and here I will type as color red. I will give. So heading color is changed because we have given H1. H1 is heading and color is changed of red. Now we will give an enter and here I will type border. Now here I will type as dashed. Now see here, it is looking more attractive. Now I will give a enter. Now H1 is done. Now we will set for image. Now I will type here img image and I will open curly bracket, and here I will type color yellow. Now we will give a enter and here we will type border dotted. See, it is too light. Okay, color yellow, it means color is yellow and border will be dotted. So it is yellow color. I have given yellow color. and I have given dotted. It means yellow color dotted will come. Here I will type red, then you will see the dots. See here, red. Like this dot will become. Now again I will type yellow. Yeah. Now dotted is done. We will give an enter. We will delete this enter. Okay. Now image is done. Now we will give for paragraph dash. Okay. Now we will give enter. Here we will type P. It means paragraph. Open. We will open curly bracket. Here we will type color blue. And here I will type CM. Blue color is done. Here I will type border solid. Okay, solid. See, border is also given of blue color. Now JS we will do no, because JS code is not there, because JS HTML is code blocks part, like we can say block. And if we want to design our app, we will design from here CSS. And if we want any function of our app, that we will give here on JS. Functions like I can give here an image. We will give ID. First of all we will give the ID for image. Then if I have given the ID, like I have given ID Virat Kohli I have given ID, so I will call from that name only. Virat Kohli means image is clicked, then display here I am Virat Kohli, like that. I am a cricketer, like that. JS is for functions. So now HTML and CSS coding is done. Now our app is done successfully. So that is not too much coding, very less. Only we have to give HTML head title. But if one letter mistake is also done, then error can come. So we have to give HTML head body, and we have to give image, and image link address we will copy from here, and full paragraph also we have to copy. Only we have to give CSS, that is not too much. So here our app is done. So we will meet in next project, that is project number 50. So bye guys.